been a while. We're reacting today, Bluebird, and in a couple minutes after this video, we're going to be reacting to another guy. I forget his name, but we will be reacting to him because he also commented, and I was in my school schedule, so I couldn't upload, but now I can.
Hi, it's my birthday, yeah! Hi, it's my birthday.
Happy birthday, Bluebird. When did he post this video? Oh, a couple days ago.
This video is brought to you by
Fall apart when nothing's new, 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 nothing.
This video is brought to you by
That's hilarious.
What do you mean bro's built like a 1x1 Lego piece? What even is a 1x1 Lego piece? Yep, you're banned. Have a good night. What do you mean bro's built like a 1x1 Lego piece? What even is a 1x...
Bro's built like a basketball.
You know, you can't fall down the stairs if you're already at the bottom.
That's true.
Oh my god, my bones! My bones!
How you fall down the... I'm confused. How you fall down the stairs at the bottom? Do you fall up or do you fall down and up? Do you fall in a rotation?
Hey, watch this. Yeah, that was the whole video. I don't...
Yeah.
Do I look like a real boy, Papa?
Bro.
This is a loop. This is a loop. This is a loop. This is a loop. This...
Yeah, it is. Okay, those are all his shorts. Only a couple. His most recent video 4 days ago. Oh, he made his own anime. Oh, staring contest.
Hey, Toby, want to have a staring contest? Winner gets $20.
Okay, sure.
English or Spanish. Whoever moves first is gay. Aw, man. Bluebird is gay.
Yeah, I lost.
Ha! I win. Pay up.
Fine.
Sup, guys? This is totally Bluebird and not...
That's neat. See what else videos he's got. How long has he been a YouTuber? He has his own anime.
Baby, kimi no va de jobuda, da cara boku gauto con enere.
Akaitori wa de osarrenakere naranai ga, masu wa kodomo o umanakere naranai.
Kore o te ni ireta.
No, era 10. Womp.
That's his anime. Oh, I should have checked how long it is.
This one is absolutely incredible. How did you make this?
Somebody left a 40-foot tall pineapple lying around.
Patrick, I squirted.
That's fun. It was nice reacting. Wait, when was the first video? 3 months ago. Well, it was nice reacting to you. Goodbye. Wait, no. See his community posts. 700 episodes in. It's out chat animation by who I don't know who that is. That's cool. Check out this beautiful piece of fan art by Bluebird. That guy John. Who's that guy John? Oh, that's cool. We shall react to that guy John another time. Goodbye.